Hi and welcome back to the countertop. And today I'm doing onion soup from 6 Seasons. Hi and welcome back. And today I'm doing a recipe from a book that already appeared here in the channel, which is this one, 6 Seasons by Joshua McFadden. If you didn't saw the other video, this book is pretty much all about vegetables separated in 6 seasons because summer is considering here early, mid, and late. And the recipe we are doing today is one from the winter, since we are in the winter right now, and since this is pretty a very simple and very interesting recipe for us to do it in the winter, which is an onion bread soup. All right, so let's go for the ingredients. So here's all the ingredients that we need for our soup today. So you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 5 pounds of onions cut into 1 centimeter thick slices, and you do a mix between red and yellow onions, 3 sprigs of thyme, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of dry wine, 8 cups of a rich meat broth, 3 4 centimeters thick slices of stale country bread, 2 cups of shredded extra sharp cheese, and 1 horseradish for us to do the grating. All right, let's start doing. So you heat a very large soup pot over medium heat and you add the olive oil and the butter. When the butter has melted, you add all the onions and let this cook undisturbed for several minutes until they begin to release some liquids. And you keep cooking these onions slowly until they're completely soft. This process will take at least 30 minutes, but probably something around 45 minutes. After this, you increase the heat to medium-high. You season the onions with 1 tablespoon of salt and a lot of black pepper. You toss the thyme sprigs and the bay leaf, then you put the white wine and stir and scrape the bottom completely to resolve all the onion juices. After that, you just wait until the alcohol cooks a little bit, so something around 5 minutes. Now you add the broth and simmer the soup over medium heat until the broth is concentrated and flavorful, something around 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we have our soup. Now you get one of your bread slices, you cut it in half to fit inside your bowl, and then 1 ladle of the soup. You put your cheese, your cheddar on the top, and now you put these at the broiler to melt the cheese, and then that will be ready to try out. So here's our soup. Let's grate some horseradish here on the top. Let's try this now and see how it goes. It's actually really good because first of all, it's so simple to do it, so it's very practical and very simple for you to do this at home. But the taste is amazing. You can feel the onions, you can feel like a little bit of crunchy of the onions and the broth together with the bread that soak all these liquids. And the crust with the cheese and the horseradish gives like a bump. It's very interesting, very easy to make. Again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave your comments what you like and what you don't like. And see you next week. Bye.